Alright guys, welcome back to today's not really tutorial. Today I'm actually going to be giving you guys free resources. These are um ebooks for brand identity designers, brand identity, yes. So this is brand identity guidelines, brand identity design contract. Also have brand identity, creating brand identity by catering, slide, broken, brand identity design, an essential guide for the whole branding team. Yes, you would love this in particular. I read this. This is just uh, few pages. Yes, then this is guidelines. So this would actually give you insights to what brand identity means, um the basics, as well as the fundamentals of brand identity. So this ebook says how to create effective brand guidelines. Yeah, so there are lots more. Yeah, so just read through them. So this is an ebook. You'd love to read it. Yes, there are so many ebooks here. So this pack. So this is for brand identity. So many top logo designers. These are the things that actually they read through that makes their design concept so matured and looks top notch. Because trust me, simplicity brings out um simplicity and your creativity. It brings out, people will be like, God, where does this guy reasons from? But some of these secrets are actually hidden inside the book. You understand? So just take your time and read through the book, and you will gain insight. And in the next 2 weeks, next 3 weeks, just with time, your design process will mature. This actually this is another ebook. So you just read through so many of them. And this is brand identity. Yes, brand identity. I think this is just the introduction. So many of these ebooks, just for a little time, if yes, these fundamental principles, you just need this knowledge, the vision, the meaning, the coherence, durability, value, and so many things are just packed in here. Yes. So please do well to like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell, because I'll be sharing so many packs for especially logo designers. If you find yourself here, you're a logo designer. Uh, you're welcome, because you're in the right place. I will be sharing so many after this. I think I still have some. Yes, I still go. That is actually in my external hard drive, so I'll have to export that later and send it. But I just needed to dish this out to you guys. Somebody requested for it, so just requested. Just needed to dish this out to you guys. So I also have guidelines here. So guidelines. Okay, I think we've spoken about these guidelines. So I think there are about 5 ebooks here. So the access to this ebook is actually in the description below. So but there is a passkey to this low there is a passkey to the file, yes, to the access. So what you do is that if you have been observant with the video, you would see passkey at intervals of the video. So what you do here is to watch closely through the video. Watch closely, make sure there are 6 digits in number. So at intervals you have 2, at intervals you have 2, at intervals you have 2 again. So just watch closely and you see the passkey to the access, then you input it, because without the passkey you can't have access to these books. They are ebooks, top-notch ebooks. You won't want to miss out from them. So I will be sending more later. So you'd also want Christmas designs. I have some in stock for you guys. Just go back to my previous video and um, you would see the link and the access to these Christmas designs. Yes, they are Christmas designs. Both they're actually editable. The most sweetest of all is that they're editable. Yes, so you can just give this to your client, especially all those clients that come to your DM at 9 minutes, probably you're in church or you're asleep, you don't stress yourself so much. You just have to input the logo, substitute the picture, their social media handle where necessary, and delete others that are not needed. So you just make little changes. Others have been done for you guys, but most especially I love this in particular. Like the color combination is just top notch and it's something else. Yeah, so I'll be releasing more. Do well to subscribe, just like I said, and turn on your notification bell. Yeah, share this also to a friend that might be in need of this. You can actually just change the color, change display with your hue and saturation. You get something beautiful. Yes. All right. Thank you guys. Bye for now.